refusing to appear before the SIT because he was fearful of the fact that he could well be arrested, was the very reason why his counsel was all set to file the bail petition in the High Court. But this is the latest that has just come in. H.D. Revanna has been arrested. Now remember, his anticipatory bail plea was rejected on the grounds that he comes from a strong political family and there were strong chances that he could tamper with the evidence. This of course as the latest turn of events where the victim was found at his secretary's farmhouse. That has massively turned the course of this investigation. And in the latest, H.D. Revanna has been taken into custody by the SIT. We were the first channel to get you those pictures from outside H.D. Devegowda's residence, where the team was
ದೇವೇಗೌಡರ ನಿವಾಸದ ಬಳಿಯಿಂದ H.D. ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವರನ್ನ ನಿವಾಸದ ಬಳಿಯಿಂದ.
All right, heavy media contingent outside H.D. Devegowda's residence, and we'll also try and get you Prajwal because he is tracking all the developments on the ground. But this is the big breaking news that is just coming in. H.D. Revanna has been arrested by the SIT. This is minutes within the anticipatory bail plea being rejected in court, and how his counsel were trying their level best that they now file for the bail petition in the High Court. But a long meeting that also happened at a private hotel where H.D. Kumaraswamy was leading that meeting with his close aides. The family was primarily deciding on what they should do in this entire matter. All eyes on whether there was any sort of political clout that was being exercised and how H.D. Revanna was being shielded. But that, of course, is not the truth anymore, as H.D. Revanna has now been taken into custody by the SIT in Bengaluru. He has been arrested. He was arrested at Devegowda's residence. We showed you pictures of SIT right outside that door as they were finding about the whereabouts of H.D. Revanna. All right, Prajwal, I'm being told, is with us. Prajwal, big development. H.D. Revanna has been arrested by the SIT. He's taken into custody.
Absolutely, Suyesh, and now we are getting to understand that the action has already moved in from Padmanabh Nagar. In fact, they are going ahead and bringing H.D. Revanna to the CID headquarters on Carlton Road, and we are shortly expecting H.D. Revanna to come in here at the Carlton Road in itself, from where we are reporting live at this point of time. So H.D. Revanna has been picked up from H.D. Devegowda's residence out there in Padmanabh Nagar. He was staying along with his father and mother, and finally a team of around 10 to 15 SIT officials initially raided the residence of H.D. Devegowda, and finally additional sleuths of the special investigation team were brought in at this point of time to make sure that he does not escape or evade arrest, because there were also many JDS party workers who came out in huge numbers too. So shortly from now, in the next 10 to 15 minutes, we are expecting that H.D. Revanna will be brought to the CID headquarters out here in Carlton House in Bengaluru.
Talking to us as we stay with those pictures. Heavy media contingent outside the Gowda residence as H.D. Revanna has been arrested, and the next big question to what happens to Prajwal Revanna, where the second lookout notice has already been issued against him.
Absolutely. There have in fact been 3 lookout notices which has already been issued as well. And right now, my video journalist Sadanand bringing you all this live action from outside the CID office too, as we can see hectic movement of police personnel who have already been deployed as well. And you are seeing that there are more and more number of people who have been deployed, mainly the security too, and it has been heightened at this point of time. We're also seeing several senior officials also leaving by from outside